Hi everyone, my name is Haji. Today I will talk about my assignment 3 and my topic is lean and agile manufacturing. First, I will talk about the introduction, then lecture review, research design, and design questions. First, let's talk about lean manufacturing. What is lean manufacturing? It is eliminating the appearance non-value added activities to achieve continuous information flow logic and cash flow so as to achieve the purpose of reducing the cost, shortening production cycle, and improving the quality. So this is the picture of lean automotive vision model written by Greenblatt in 1997. This is resulting in an internal non-qualified vision of a lean company showing quality cycle in 5 areas. They are flexibility, waste elimination, optimization, process control, and people optimization. These characters enabled a direct link to be made with the primary state definition of lean process. These 5 areas will expand on characters the specific charity size, which would contribute to the achievement of leanness in a best-in-class company. These characteristics would be observable to an informed visitor to such a company and enable an assessment of the extent of leanness in different processes within a company. Then they draw all this information together and produce a set of research method documents, which formed the typical lean automotive producer. This became the bench against which the SVG case study companies could be compared. The final result was a set of performance documents for each key process. It is at this level that common adoption of practice and measures were compared against a lean model. This format was used to structure questions for improvements in the companies visited. First, respondents were asked to rate the key drivers identified on a scale of 1 to 3 in terms of their relevance to their organizations, where 3 equals high relevance. Second, the respondents were asked to describe the practices they used to respond to those drivers, ensuring that the specific practice identified on the performance were established as being used or not. While respondents did not always respond with a simple yes or no, for analysis purpose, it was necessary to record either a positive or negative answer. This approach also ensured that practices not covered in the performance were captured and the reasons associated document. The third part of the process related to whether any formal measurement of the effectiveness of the practice described took place, and if so, what are the units of measurement? A simple yes or no answers were required. The advantages of this approach to the development of the document is that it provided logically and simply coherent picture and showed the key words practice being adopted by such organizations to respond to their drivers compared with specific metrics were known. At the second level of influence, for example, taking a high-level driver such as the need to improve responsibilities. Now let's talk about ugly manufacturing. What is it? It is integrating feasible analysis, advanced flexible manufacturing technology, and high-quality personnel into an integration, so that enterprises can easily copy with fast and unpredictable market demands and access to business long-term economic benefits. In this picture, you can see there are four main aspects of ugly manufacturing. They are ugly drivers, job abilities, agility provides, and agility capabilities. The capital model describes the relationship between these four elements. The agility drivers represent characters of the inexpensive business environment in response to the turbulence and the unpredictability of the changes. According to this, the agility drivers were the first company to resolve the current company's stagnation, admit the need to become agile, and adopt an agility stagnation. Stagnation abilities such as responsibilities, competence, quickness, and flexibility are considered as main attributes of the agile organization that allow successful dealing with change. The agility capabilities could be achieved by the means of agility provides. Agility provides can be developed from four manufacturing areas, such as organizations, technology, people, and innovations. My research design came from two research. First is from Hannes, Matthews, and James in 2009. The results indicate that lean and agile manufacturing differ in terms of drivers and outcomes. The truth of cost leadership stairway fully mitigates the impact of the complexity of industry as a driver of lean manufacturing, while agile manufacturing is directly affected by both internal and external drivers. The agile manufacturing is found to be negatively associated with a cost leadership staggering, influencing the difference between lean and agile manufacturing. The major difference in performance outcomes are related to cost and flexibility, such that lean manufacturing has a significant impact on those performance, while agile manufacturing has not. And agile manufacturing has a stronger relationship with values as well as product, and lean manufacturing does not. The other research is Schaefer methods, and in 2015. This study has introduced a process to adopt lean into mentoring activities. The process highlights types of NAV matrix activities, a packet of samples to calculate the maintenance activities. This can be considered as a further suggestion to the process in the research and lead to my research design. This is my research design. because lean manufacturing and agile manufacturing are two measurement models. Companies of supply chain stagnation and its production plan cannot only use one model. So I try to divide the different production into Zone A and Zone B. They are in Zone A, it's measurable type productions, and Zone B are the variable type productions. First, I try to control 10% in Zone A and 19% in Zone B, and then the 20% in Zone A and 80% in Zone B, and try to get the outcome of the companies and try to measure them one after another until in Zone A is 19% and in Zone B is 10%. But my limitation is that I haven't the investment to do this research. But if someone can do this, and he will get a best supply chain statement. That's all. Thank you.